forecast for today. Lots of sunshine. Yes, it is officially fall, but I'll tell you what, it is going to be feeling like summer as we head through the week. Today, however, the coolest day of the week, but still plenty of sunshine. Temperatures are going to climb to the upper 70s, so it is going to feel fantastic out there today, and we're just warming up from here on out as we head toward the weekend. Let's go ahead and take you outside right now. This is a live look out over Denver. We've got some high cirrus clouds out there, so some thin clouds that we're dealing with. Those will move out. We'll see mostly sunny skies by this afternoon. So again, that tops our weather headlines for today. It is feeling like summer. Again, today, the coolest day out of the week. We will be warming up from here. We're talking potential record heat both tomorrow and Thursday. It's looking like we're going to tie the record for Thursday, and we're going to get pretty close tomorrow as well. And with those cool nights and the sunshine and warm afternoons, we're seeing some peak colors up there in the high country when it comes to those fall leaves. All right, let's take a look at the current temperatures out there. We're looking at mainly 70s across the plain, 67 out at DIA, 50s, 60s up in the high country. Mostly sunny today, 77 degrees your forecast for the Denver metro area. Light winds out of the north, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Forecast highs, we're going to make it up to the upper 70s, low 80s across the plains, 60s, 70s up in the high country. And take a look at our satellite radar, and we did have some fairly thick clouds out across the eastern regions of the state. Those are pushing off to the south and the east, and just a few clouds out there, those high cirrus clouds, they're pushing out as well. So those clouds clearing out after about noon for most. We're looking mostly sunny as we head into the afternoon hours and into the evening hours as well. Partly cloudy tonight, 51 degrees, mild and quiet. Winds out of the south, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Mostly sunny tomorrow, going to make it up into the upper 80s. So we're talking about 10 degrees warmer than the high for today. Lots of sunshine, pretty close to record 91 degrees. That was set back in 1998. So at this point, it looks like we're a few degrees, or we will be a few degrees shy of that, but still 10 degrees warmer than what will be today. Forecast highs for tomorrow across the plains. We're looking mainly mid to upper 80s, 70s up in the high country. Here's a look at your jet stream forecast. So we have high ridge of high pressure building in. That's going to move up from the southwest, and that's going to rotate that dry desert air into our area. So that's why we're going to see and feel those very warm temperatures over the next several days. So it's dry, so we're not going to see any precipitation out of this system with this ridge of high pressure in place. We're not going to see any precipitation for the next several days, and that is just going to rotate that dry air and warm air over our area. So expect dry and very warm conditions. Also tracking that storm system, now a tropical storm, Helene, over there in the Gulf. So let's go ahead and take a look at the track of that storm as it makes its way into the Gulf and toward Florida, the Florida Panhandle and the western coast of Florida by Thursday afternoon. It's a tropical cyclone now. It will intensify as it moves into the Gulf and become a hurricane as it makes landfall on Thursday afternoon, again across the Florida Panhandle and the Florida West Coast. We'll keep tracking that, but again, there are some hurricane and storm surge watches already in effect for that area of Florida. As for back home here, we are looking at no impactful weather. It is pretty quiet throughout not just the day, but through the weekend, right on into the weekend and next week. 77, a little bit cooler today. Again, today, the coolest day out of the week. Tomorrow, 87 degrees, the record 91, so we'll be pretty close. Thursday's looking like at this point we could tie the record, which is 90 degrees, and it forecast high for Thursday, 90 degrees, so we are right on target to at least tie the record. 83 degrees on Friday, so a little bit of a cool down, but we are staying in the 80s right on through the weekend, and we're back to more typical fall-like weather on Monday with a high of 78 degrees. As for any rain chances, zilch, zero. We are looking at no rain chances as we head into the weekend. Thursday and Friday could see some rain showers and thunderstorms up across the southern mountains. Down here across the plains, we are looking dry. That is a quick look at your forecast on this morning, and we on this Tuesday morning, we will keep tracking the very dry, very quiet forecast, as well as tropical storm Helene throughout the week as it intensifies, and with expected landfall to be made Thursday afternoon along the Florida Panhandle and Florida West Coast. For now, thanks so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day.